guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make these amazing crowd pleaser spicy teriyaki wings. They're so good and so easy to make. But before I begin, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you enjoy the recipe, be sure to give it a like, and let's get started. Alright guys, these are the ingredients. I'm using red hot sauce with some sweet teriyaki sauce, and as well as the seasoning that I am going to be using for the chicken. They are garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, paprika, ground black pepper. I also have some cornstarch to make the chicken wings nice and crispy, and as well as some oil. And these are the wings that I'll be using. It's about 2.5 pounds of wings. I had to cut them myself and clean them with some vinegar and lime, and basically this is it. But before I continue, do you guys like flats or drumlets? Let me know down below. Me personally, I like flats, but let me know down below, what do you guys like? Now, first thing I am going to be doing is use a napkin to pat dry the wings, because you want to remove any type of water, moisture from the chicken. That way they can come out nice and crispy. Once you're done, you're going to take your olive oil. It doesn't have to be olive oil, you can use any type of oil. Just drizzle it all over the chicken and make sure you mix it real good. That way the seasoning can stick all over the chicken, so you can have a nice delicious chicken. Now, once I am done, I am going to take my cornstarch and just pour it all over the chicken and mix it together. Now that you're done adding your cornstarch, you're going to take your seasoning. Now I am going to take my seasoning and mix it together so we can have a nice well-coated chicken with the seasoning blend. Okay, just mix it together, y'all. You have to. You can't just sprinkle it on there. Just mix it. And then we're going to just sprinkle all over the chicken. Make sure the chicken is well coated with the seasoning. Use your hand, make some love to the chicken. You know how we do over here. Just rub it all over. Now, if you're watching for the first time, you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe today so you don't miss out on my other delicious recipes, okay? Now that we have our chicken nice and well coated with our seasoning, we're going to take the chicken and bake these. Now you can pop these in the air fryer, but today I am going to represent the people who doesn't have an air fryer at their house. I want to represent y'all today and actually make a oven baked chicken wings for you guys, because I know not everybody has one of those, you know, air fryers. So we're just going to line the chicken onto this rack. That way the chicken can cook evenly and it's not going to be sitting in the, you know, it's on juice. That way they can be nice and crispy once they're done. And look how well seasoned these are. I love me some well-seasoned chicken. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're going to place them and give them some room. Don't just put them on top of each other, okay? Okay, there they are, nice and well-seasoned, and they got some space to breathe. We're going to pop these in the oven on 400, y'all, for 20 minutes. Then turn them over and set the timer again for another 20 minutes. So it should take you about 40 to 45 minutes to cook them nice and crispy and crunchy. Ooh, you can even eat this by itself if you want, but no, we're not done yet. I am going to make some, mix it with that sauce, that spicy, sweet, tangy sauce. It's so good, y'all. I didn't have time to make my own teriyaki sauce, so you know I gotta come out with the store-bought bottle. Okay, so I am going to pour my red hot sauce on there just like that. And then I am going to be adding my sweet teriyaki sauce. I will leave an exact link of the one that I use down below for you guys if you're interested on Amazon. But it says sweet teriyaki on there. I like it. It tastes good. So we're going to give that a nice toss just like that, and boom, bing, bing, bam, bam, boom. There you have it. You have yourself some quick and easy, super easy to make, homemade, spicy teriyaki chicken wings. There it is, y'all. I hope you guys try this out. If you're a wing lover like me, try this out. You will enjoy it because I did, okay? Check this video out. If you try this recipe, come back, let me know how you like it. It's good. It's on point. It was a hit. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and also subscribe. And also, guys, you can join to be a member on this channel. I will leave a link below with all the information. Shout out to all you guys who are a member. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye.